What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you first of all where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the deadline that is ahead of us, and that might be the crucial point for natural gas prices. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that because of the previous price action, we might have the retracement to the upside that should unload this structure to the downside, that should unload basically the third wave from $3.39 all the way down to $2.28. And we had a possibility that we already had a three-wave structure to the upside right here, or we might have something like this, ABC correction, and we probably have to see one more small movement to the upside to complete it, and in this case the top of our fourth wave probably will be right here. But so far it is quite tricky to do any assumptions, and I have to say that on my previous video I've told you that we are on pretty much on a limbo territory. We cannot predict with the sufficient amount of certainty which way this asset should go. And that is why right here I recommended you not to enter any positions on BOIL. But previously we've booked more than 50% of profits from the very beginning of April, and you can watch the entire list of my natural gas prices videos, and you can see that we hit only twice the stop loss orders that brought us 6 and 6% in this at this point and at this point. And we made a lot of very good and predictable trades, and as I already mentioned, we booked more than 50% of potential profit. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this movement to the upside and what to expect next? That is more importantly, in my opinion. So let's start with this news. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on June the 7th. And it says, US Natgas prices climb as hot weather outlook boosts power demand prospects. And let me quote to this. US natural gas futures climbed 3% to a one-week high on Wednesday, as forecasts for warmer weather bolstered in the demand outlook for the fuel to cool homes and businesses. Front-month gas futures for July delivery on the New York Mercantile Exchange rose 6.7 cents or 3% to settle at $2,329 per million British thermal units. And this is the first catalyst, but do we have probably another one? Yes, we have it. And right here you can find on spglobal.com, we can find this article that also was published on June the 7th. And it says, Canadian gas production slumps as Alberta wildfires heat up. And definitely, when we have the reduction in the supply of certain commodity, definitely we have to see the increase in its price, especially when demand becomes higher. And this is exactly what we can see right now. And on top of that, let me show you this chart. It is Canada natural gas production according to S&P Global Commodity Insights. And as you can see, the lowest level of Canadian natural gas production was somewhere in at the end of May, somewhere around May 20th or 23rd. And let me show you that we have the peak of this price action on BOIL, on ticker symbol BOIL, exactly at the same spot. On May 19th, we have this spike, and then we have the decrease in its price. On top of that, let me show you the potential deadlines for this movement to the upside. Let me show you this article, and I covered it in my previous video, and it was published on June the 5th, and it says, Europe gas prices rise on lower LNG send-out outages. And we have these deadlines. First of all, France's Monitor LNG terminal is shut until June the 10th for maintenance work. On top of that, there are several outages large Norwegian gas fields until the middle of this month for maintenance work, while flows through the Turkey Stream gas pipeline, which transports gas from Russia through the Black Sea to Turkey, are suspended until June the 12th, also due to maintenance work. And we have 3 deadlines: June the 10th, June the 12th, and the middle of June. This means, let me show you that right here, somewhere at the end of this week or at the very beginning of the next week, we might see the trend reversal, when all of these bullish catalysts for Natgas prices will be removed, and we will see the increase in supply for gas prices, and we probably might see the decrease in the demand. And if it happens, we will see the next leg to the downside. And let's continue with the technical analysis, and I will show you how we can prove or disprove this theory. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's be clear, and I have to say that for now we still have to wait for more confirmation, because technically we are almost at the same spot where we were previously, and I have to say that you cannot count on this quite small movement even on a leveraged ETF as ticker symbol BOIL is. But in general, I have to say that we have more interesting details on this price action. If we connect these bottoms from the beginning of April till this point at the beginning of May and till this point, we can see that this is quite strong range of support that this asset respectfully follows. But on the other ticker symbols like Natgas spot prices, we have a completely different picture. Right here we have pretty much the flat line that might act as the range of support, and it is at roughly $1.91 mark. And natural gas futures has again completely different picture. We have, if we connect these bottoms, we can see that this asset respects this range of support pretty good. And this means we are in the middle of nowhere, because all of these 3 ticker symbols shows the different outcome. According to natural gas futures, we are on the bull side. According to natural gas spot prices, we are still consolidating. But according to price action on ticker symbol BOIL, we are in downtrend, and we have to see the movement to the downside. That is why I still stand on my position that we have to patiently wait, and we still have crucial points right here at or somewhere here, $3.36 mark, and this point at $2.25 mark. And depending on the breakout above this range or below this range, we will have more confirmation of potential outcome. And guys, don't get me wrong, I don't want to force any trades, because patience is the key, and successful traders should wait for more favorable trades in order to be consistently profitable. That is why, if you like this type of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.